Hey Charlie, look at the ducky.
I think he's a little overwhelmed by us.
Charlie, look.
Because I already did that with the turtle and he was like, oh.
Oh, he got wet.
He got wet. Oh, Charlie.
Nou, doe maar even uit die kraan, hè. Zet hem maar stop.
Hey, Charlie. You see the rain? Last time it got real fun. I hope it gets real fun like that again. You want to run again? Oh, he doesn't want the water off. You want to run in the water? Come here. What did you and Auntie do last time? He maybe can't run in these shoes, Sandy. Because he was in his bare feet last time.
Yeah, we can take him off.
Go, baby. Go, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Oh, look. It's a rainbow. I see it. Do you see it? A rainbow. Woo! Charlie. Go, Charlie. Oh, Charlie gonna get wet. Oh, good job. Wow. Hey. Oh, my goodness. Did you do that? Oh, wow. Wow. Woo. Oh, all the way up in the sky. Yeah.
Ga je wel rekening mee dat hier mensen aangekleed zijn om je heen?
What?
Hello baby, wat ben je aan het doen?
You want to hold it? Show mommy how you can do that. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down. Oh, is Charlie gonna be really brave? Oh, he's running away.
Whoops.
Whoopsie.
Uh-oh.